that I've got your attention. Alright, so here's the problem. Parking sucks, we all know that. You either drive around in circles, get fined, or pay €8 for 20 minutes in a stinking garage. So I'm building Parkly, an app that lets you rent someone's driveway by the minute. No meters, no guessing, no stupid flat rates. Think Uber meets Airbnb, but for parking. So you open the app, see a nearby spot, tap it, park it, and you are done. You only pay for the time that you are actually there. And the best part, anyone with a driveway, yard, or unused space can earn money from it. And if you live near a big sports stadium, you know firsthand how in demand parking can be during game days. So we're launching our crowdfunding campaign soon, but right now I just want to test the waters and know, is this something you would use? If yes, please check the link in my bio and join the early access list. Let's make parking suck a little less and become part of something that's going to change the way the world parks. Please share this video with everyone that you know. It will show them that you care.